Building a Web3 application is no longer the hardest part. The real challenge lies in what comes next: securing users. Establishing an identity framework and creating incentive structures can be daunting. For almost every Web3 developer, cold starting is the first major wall they hit. The launch of the DataDID Developer Platform is designed to help you scale that wall and reach the finish line faster. At the heart of this ecosystem is Applist, the application hub where DataDID users discover and interact with Web3 apps. The beauty of Applist is its native integration with the DataDID identity system. No new accounts are needed. Today, the developer portal for Applist is officially live. You can now submit your applications directly to the platform. Once approved by the Memo team, your app will be listed and open to the entire DataDID user base. So, why should you build on DataDID? Let's break down the 4 key advantages for your project. First, instant access to hundreds of thousands of real users. DataDID has a massive, daily growing registered user base. Once your app hits Applist, these users can find and use it immediately. You can skip the resources usually spent on a cold start. Second, seamless identity integration. Every DataDID user has their own on-chain identity ready to go. Users can log in instantly via email verification or MetaMask. No new accounts, no forgotten passwords, just zero friction. Third, decentralized storage via Memo. Your application data can be integrated into our secure storage network. This ensures your data is secure, reliable, and immune to tampering by any centralized entity. Your users' data stays theirs. Fourth, an integrated incentive system. User actions in your app generate points synchronized with the overall system. These points are linked to the Memo token, driving higher retention as users accumulate assets while using your application. Ready to join? The process is divided into 2 phases: development integration and submission. Let's walk through them. Phase 1 is development integration. This is where you connect your project to our underlying infrastructure. Step 1, register for developer permissions. Visit our portal to create an account, verify your email, and bind your EVM wallet. Once your wallet is bound, you'll gain full developer access to the tools and SDKs you need. Step 2, install the SDK. DataDID offers SDKs for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python to fit your stack. We strongly recommend developing and debugging in our testnet environment first to ensure a smooth launch. Step 3, integrate user login. The SDK handles token management automatically, making authentication a breeze. Whether it's email or wallet signatures, we've simplified the process so you can focus on your app's unique features. Step 4, create DIDs for users. You can call the SDK to generate unique on-chain decentralized identifiers. And here's the best part. This process is free for the user, as the server covers all the gas fees. Once your app is ready and verified on the testnet, it's time for Phase 2, submission and listing. Submit your app via the developer dashboard. You'll need to provide basic details like the name, description, and production URL. Don't forget to include a link to your privacy policy. Our team will then conduct a brief audit of your submission. After the Memo team completes the audit, your app will officially appear on Applist live for all users. In Web3, the hardest part isn't the build, it's the start. We've removed those barriers for you. The DataDID Developer Platform has already prepared the user base, identity framework, and storage mechanisms. A thriving ecosystem is growing right now, and we're waiting for you to build the next big thing with us. Everything is ready. All you need to do is plug in your vision and watch it scale across our massive network. Visit the developer portal at datadid.memolabs.net and start your journey today. Let's scale Web3 together. Join our developer community to stay updated on new features, SDK releases, and ecosystem grants. We can't wait to see what you'll create. Thank you for being a part of the DataDID revolution. As our ecosystem grows, so do the opportunities for every developer on the platform. More users, more data, more value. The future of decentralized identity and application hosting is here. It's time to build without limits. With MemoLabs, security and user privacy are always at the forefront. Build with confidence on a platform you can trust. Don't wait for a cold start. Scale with DataDID. Visit datadid.memolabs.net now. MemoLabs, building the foundation for the next generation of Web3 applications. See you on the platform.